Hi there guys, today we're going to cook chicken a la king. We're gonna need cubed chicken breast fillet, sliced mushrooms, sliced ham, peas, corn and carrots, sliced red bell pepper, chicken stock, pepper, thyme, basil, onion, garlic, butter, and cream. And also half a cup of flour. Firstly, we need to melt some butter in a pan. Then fry the mushrooms. Cook the mushroom in butter. Add the garlic and then follow with the onions. Next is to add the cubed chicken breast fillets. Stir all these ingredients until chicken is cooked. After the chicken has totally changed in color, you can now add the spices like basil, thyme, and the pepper. Before stirring, must add more butter. Then after the butter has melted, add some flour. Stir to combine all the ingredients together. When everything is fully mixed, you must add the chicken stock. Season with salt, then add the sliced ham. Stir and let simmer. Then after simmering, you can now add the chopped bell pepper. Next, add the peas, corn, and carrots. Followed by the cream. Continue to stir while simmering. Make sure that the cream is fully mixed into the dish. Then have a taste test and add more salt and pepper if needed. Stir and remove from heat. It's now ready, and this one you can eat it as is, or you can use it as a filling for your pies or cover with souffle. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please click subscribe and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.